Hello everyone, today we will work with our splits and how to stretch your leg and prepare for your future splits. Let's start with me. First, what you're starting to do, we'll get sit in this position and starting working with two legs. Slowly close and open. 2, open, 3, open, 4 and 5. Stay and start to do up our body and little bit sit. 2, sit, 3, sit, 4, sit. So guys, if you want beautiful splits, stay with me and follow me. After that, we will get sit in this position. Try to take leg and slowly open it on ourselves and close. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that, take left in this side, take our breathe, and we starting slowly turn, get in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, we will try pushing legs up. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take 2 legs. Take your breath, slowly breathe out and slide down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me and go and watch my other videos because your support for my channel is so important. Bye.